In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a vertical video from a landscape one in Descript. Whether you're repurposing content for social media or simply experimenting with different formats, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Descript on your computer. If you already have a project in mind, go ahead and open it. Maybe you've just created a new video project and are eager to get started. If so, fantastic. Simply import your landscape video into the project. This video might be sitting there in landscape glory, but that's okay, because we're going to transform it into a stunning vertical piece. Now, once your video is loaded into the scene, let's focus our attention on changing the aspect ratio. This is a crucial step because aspect ratios define how your video will be viewed and experienced by others. We know a great many videos today are best presented in a vertical format, so let's make sure yours is set perfectly for that glorious portrait view. You'll want to locate the scene editor within Descript, which is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. In the scene editor, search for the Aspect Ratio and Video Settings button. It usually appears as a rectangle or box icon situated in the top left corner of the canvas area. Clicking on this icon will open up your aspect ratio options. From here comes the exciting part, choosing the correct orientation for your video. Change the orientation to portrait, or select the 9:16 preset, which corresponds to a vertical format. This adjustment is key for making sure your video fits beautifully on platforms that favor vertical content, like Instagram Stories or TikTok. Take a moment to preview your video and see how it looks now that the aspect ratio has changed. You might find that some elements need repositioning to ensure nothing important gets cropped out. Descript gives you easy tools to make those fine-tuning adjustments. You can move and resize the video content itself within the frame to highlight the most important sections. And there you have it. Converting your landscape video to vertical format using Descript is as simple as a few clicks. Remember, this technique is perfect for adapting content to fit the visual dynamics of various online platforms, reaching your audience in ways that align with their viewing habits. Feel free to experiment with this simple yet powerful tool and get creative with your video projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has demystified the process of creating vertical videos from landscape ones. Now, go ahead and give it a try with your own projects. Happy editing!